is such a heartwarming, healthy and earthy vegetable. It's a superfood, especially in today's COVID times when we are looking to boost our immunity. This is packed with nutrients like fiber, potassium, vitamin C and iron. For a quick lunch or dinner recipe, do include this in your meal plan. Beetroots can be made in different forms, right? Like juice, soup, salad, roasted and baked. Today I'm going to share a South Indian style beetroot poriyal which I grew up with, and I'm making this in the air fryer for the first time, so keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. First, wash the beetroot, cut the ends and peel. I'm taking 2 large beets. I will be using one to cook on the stove top and the other one in the air fryer. Now cut them in small thin slices. You may dice it however you wish. Small pieces will be easy to cook evenly when you stir fry. Sometimes beetroot can take longer to cook. The cooking time also varies depending on how fresh and juicy they are. It's time to spice it up with other ingredients. Heat a heavy bottom pan. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 green chili cut. Then add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Add 1 string of curry leaves. Tear the leaves for extra flavor. Look at the beauty. Stir and add 1 red dry chili. You may skip adding if you prefer less spicy. To this, add 1 medium-sized onion diced. Cook the onions with enough heat to keep them going. You will see them turn from raw state to translucent. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a dash of crushed black pepper, and here comes my secret ingredient, sambar powder. This is totally optional. I like to add this for extra spiciness and aroma. You don't have to add it, but I do. Saute for a minute to blend in the spices with onion. My kitchen is smelling so good now. Add in the beetroot. Give it a good stir. This beetroot stir fry is a very common dish in South India. There is a slight variation of spices in each state and every household has their own tips and tricks, right? Add half cup of water, turn the flame low and cook under cover for 5 minutes. After that, check to see if they are getting tender. I am going to cover and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring in between. You will notice the moisture evaporate and it's looking beautiful. Now add in half cup of desiccated coconut or fresh coconut if you have. Give it a good stir. You will start to smell the fresh spices along with the coconut. Wow! The flavors, color and the aroma is simply outstanding. Serve it hot with steamed rice or as a side dish. Let's bring the same flavors in the air fryer. Add beetroot, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan rock salt. Add a dash of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. This is optional. And 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Mix everything well and let's air fry these beauties. Preheat the air fryer for 4 minutes under 370 Fahrenheit. Place the steel container inside. I'm using a steel container to see how it turns out. Air fry for 10 minutes under 390 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, let's prepare the coconut mixture. Heat a heavy bottom pan, drizzle in some coconut oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal and urad dal. Add in the curry leaves and 1 red dry chili and 1 medium size onion chopped. Give it a good stir. Saute until the onion becomes translucent. Add a bit of salt to it and the flavors are coming through beautifully. Now add in the coconut, fresh or desiccated, and just stir for 30 seconds. That's it. Turn the gas off and leave it until the beets are done in the air fryer. Let's check the beets. It's 10 minutes now and I need to cook them a little longer, so I'm adding 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. It usually takes about 30 minutes to roast in the oven, so it will be almost the same time in the air fryer. Continue to air fry for 10 more minutes under 390 Fahrenheit. It looks good now. At this point I'm adding the coconut mixture. Drizzle in a bit of water along with it so that it's not too dry, and close it with a lid. And air fry for 5 minutes under 390 Fahrenheit. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, I like it more tender, so I'm going to close the lid back and air fry for another 5 minutes. So it took me 30 minutes in total. More or less same as the time in the oven. There, it looks beautiful. Wow, I'm loving it. I'm going to mix in some rice in the air fried beetroot. I had cooked long grain basmati rice and removed the starch for less calories. Simply mix it in and enjoy. Add butter, ghee or a little bit of more coconut oil when you make it for children. They are going to love it. So excited for this air fryer recipe. It turned out great. I had to air fry for longer for the tender texture, but I'm so happy with it and I hope you will enjoy too. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below. You can make this ahead of time. Very nutritious recipe. Stovetop took me 10 minutes and air fryer took me 30 minutes. No matter how you choose, do give it a try. Let's give it a try. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.